As long as you're in a vintage condo, which is 30 years or more, and your project has gone through what's called a milestone inspection report, which is that 30 years, roll up the sleeve, let's really check it out. If that condo unit has the signed report, it was done by a licensed architect, licensed engineer, it's got a good chance of selling. And there is some real interest in that type of product. Now you cut interest rates, this product can become extremely interesting. However, anybody looking to sell, whatever your special assessment is, that is a haircut. You are taking a haircut.
You're going to pay for it. I haven't seen any instance where the buyer has assumed that special assessment at closing.
And they're not going to. They're not going to. Now, you would say, yeah, but if it's so much cheaper, like in some circumstances.
Well, it's cheaper, but you can't get financing for it. So you can't roll that into your mortgage. So the buyer, okay, let's say it's $1 million condo, right?
Yep.
$1 million condo with, could have $100,000 special assessment to keep the math easy. So I'm putting 20% down because, well, that's what I can afford. I had $200K, but there's $100,000 special assessment. I just saved $200,000. I don't have the cash for an extra $100K. I don't have enough. I don't have $300,000. I have $200,000. And if there's enough of this happening, shit, you can't even get a mortgage because you're on a Fannie Mae blacklist. So then you got to go to hard money, and then you can't really buy $1 million. Actually, your spending power, because the hard money loan is 8.5%, 9%. So really all you can afford is a $750,000 condo. And this is what you've been saying for months now, Peter. And I get it. The prices in these old vintage condos, they have to come down. You look at Ocala. I think I sent you the article about Ocala. Ocala's down 36% in the condo market.
Sounds close to my 40% call in January, 40% price reduction off of pandemic highs. Sounds very close.
Oye, Miami.